Hey all, here's the latest update on my garden watering system. So I did a few things. I made this lower power with a smaller motor inside there. So really small pump, costs $2 on Adafruit and only draws 100 milliamps at 3 volts. So I had to use this buck converter over here, that blue guy right up there, to take the voltage down from 5 to 3 on its V-in pin, and it can supply up to an amp from that 5-volt pin. So we're way under that. I have a cap just for voltage surges, so we don't drop it. But I haven't had any problems with it not being in there either. Anyway, let's just see how this works. So I've also updated it so you can give the amount of time that you want to water. You have these bad data points because that's when I was fiddling around with the hardware and not having any measurements, any sensors hooked up to it. We can go to water now. We have a number picker. You can go 1 second, you can go 2 seconds, whatever you want, and it'll set off a software timer on my microcontroller there, and then it'll just water for that long. So we'll try for 2 seconds. You get a little toast message popping up saying water for 2 seconds, and yeah, the water's done. Do it again, go for 3, and press OK. And there you go. So that's the state of it right now. I'm also looking into using this this really cool Photon power management system. And what's great about that is I can keep tabs on how much juice the battery still has in it, and we could publish a notification saying that it needs to be recharged. But right now, it's pretty cool. It runs off of just any USB, any micro USB, so you can plug this right into your phone charger or into the wall. Super low power, and that's the idea. And when we get it all worked out, then I'll hopefully make a PCB out of it and make it really small. So yeah, that's what it is. Bye now.